has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Clark County in southwestern Arkansas, Pike County in southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Garland County in central Arkansas, southeastern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, west central Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Murfreesboro, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Grant County in central Arkansas, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, east central Garland County in central Arkansas, southeastern Saline County in central Arkansas, northeastern Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern Pulaski County in central Arkansas, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lonsdale, or 8 miles west of Benton, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Little Rock, North Little Rock, Benton, Bryant, Southwest Little Rock, Haskell, Shannon Hills, Wrightsville, Redfield, Traskwood, Tall, Lansdale, Otter Creek, King Creek, Ironton, Estes, East End, Orion, Guyer Springs, Mablevale,